Hello everyone and happy Friday. You guys know what today is. I am doing my giveaway for reaching 30K, and I first want to say this was very hard for me. I want to bless each and every last one of you because the support and love and positivity in the comments is so real. But of course, you know there's only one winner, and that winner is going to win. Let me turn it the right way. The Louis Vuitton double zip pochette in damier azure print. This is brand new. Brand spanking new. I have put this up for sale 3 times, and every time a buyer is ready to pay, I pull out, I pull back. For some reason, the attachment is real. But I want to bless someone with this. I'm not using it. I just love seeing it in my collection. As stated, it's brand new, gold shiny hardware. Inside is the beautiful microfiber material. Oh, this pink, this rose pink, oh man, it's so beautiful. And also it has card slots here in the back compartment, and it comes with a vachetta strap. It is adjustable, of course, it's detachable. You can wear it over the shoulder as a crossbody. You can even convert this and use it as a bum bag. You can use this as a clutch. So many different ways. It's totally up to you. I want to bless you with this. And the winner is, I have my phone right here. Oh my God, I'm nervous. The winner is My Life, My Journey 760. Right here. Again, the winner is My Life, My Journey 760. I want to say congratulations. I always see you in the comments, and I mean, it just does my heart so good. Thank you guys. Like I said, I was nervous. I wanted to bless everyone, and I'm so sorry that I couldn't. Of course, I feel like I am going to reach 35K very soon. 40K. I'm just going to constantly keep growing, and more giveaways will follow. Please email me, marquitalvluxury@gmail.com. I need your first and last name. Please send an address so I can ship this out ASAP. You have 48 hours to do so. Like I said, guys, my heart is just, it's like boom, 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 boom. I just want to bless everyone. So again, thank you guys so much. I will see you Sunday for Handbag Bessie. Mwah. Bye-bye.